Are you looking for a soap that can help lighten your skin? Well, I introduced this Red Starla Kojic Papaya soap. It has 9 times glowing and healthy skin. And each soap is 70 grams na siya. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano siya kalaki. And also, nakaka-help siya na magkaroon tayo ng radiant skin, healthy, smoother skin, and also nakaka-help tayo nito na ma-prevent yung ating acne. And also, alam nyo ba, nakaka-reduce to ng dark spots and blemishes. At the same time, meron siyang instant glow. And last but not the least, nakaka-remove siya ng mga dead skin and exfoliate gently ang ating skin, face, body, and so on. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, itry nyo na din to. Super ganda.